This video is not sponsored by Irwin Quick Grip, by the way, just in case you're wondering. Getting there. This is the first piece I've ever done like this. It's normally been turning either bowl blanks or bits of firewood, so this is really quite a strange experience. I nearly forgot to make this into a tenon. That was pretty lucky, wasn't it? Looks like a very strange wooden torpedo, doesn't it? Right, how are we doing now? Okay. Sapele is just disgustingly horrible, dirty stuff. The dust it produces is just nasty. Look, you can see how fine it is compared to the ash that's in there. Got to wear a respirator with it. It'll start making me sneeze in a minute. This is just cellulose sanding sealer. I read earlier that sometimes some of the exotic hardwoods like Sapele and a few other things don't like oils. They never really dry, so I'm going to go with this. Hopefully that works. The first non kind of rusticy kind of object I've done so far, so quite enjoyed it. It was a horrible pain in the backside to hollow out, even with my nice hollowing kit. So Vase and Sapele with some straightforward cellulose sanding sealer, thinned about 50-50, and then I'm going to do a couple of coats of beeswax. I'll bring you back onto this when we're done. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. It'd be really good to have you aboard. I'm doing at least a video a week at the moment, and some really interesting things coming up. Stay tuned. Have fun. Bye.